Hello everyone, my name is Makwena and it's so nice to meet you. And I'm super grateful that you clicked on this video. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with Makwena. In the Kitchen with Makwena. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with Makwena. Don't come at me and say you are wearing the same outfit as the previous In the Kitchen with Makwena's video. That is because I'm shooting these videos rather on the same day. So as you've seen in the previous In the Kitchen with Makwena, I was cooking rotis. Thank you, Terry. I was cooking rotis, so I have the rotis in the microwave right now. So what I'm going to do now is the recipe that I've posted as a short, which is the chicken breast recipe, right? So what I'm going to do now is show you the full process of making them. It is not hard, it is actually easy. And then at the end I'm just going to show you how I make my simple chicken wrap. All right, and then you're gonna take it as a lunchbox or eat it as dinner, lunch, what's again. So you're not going to worry and say what am I going to eat today and stuff like that, because I've got you, girl. I've got
just
you,
watch Makwena's channel and just like and subscribe when you see it.
Period. But yeah, you guys, without wasting any time, let's get into it. So guys, before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and like the video, share with everyone. So guys, on the shot that I posted, someone commented and said, oh, please show the full process, because I'm that girl, I deliver. So I'm just going to do that today. And then yeah, so if there's something that you want me to do, any challenge that you want me to do for my channel, or any topic of learn maths with me video, please do leave it in the comment section, and if I know how to do it, I will deliver, you know. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Let me stop talking. So in here I've got 8 chicken breasts. So what I'm going to do is cut them into strips, right? So I'm going to cut them into strips because we are making chicken strips.
Be gentle with the knife because it can be very sharp.
Yeah, Terry coming with the great tips, right? So I'm done cutting my chicken breast, so I'm just going to put them in those bowls. Guys, right now I have my strips. I have 2 eggs in here, and then about a half of a cup or a cup. So I'm just going to put in salt. I'm just going to put like enough for the flavor so that it's not like a dull chicken breast. So I'm just going to put in 3 teaspoons and then mix. And then something else that I'm going to add for just, you know, is oregano. And I don't think this one is a must. It's not a must to put it in, so if you don't have it, do not stress. What is important is the flavor, salt or spice. So I've put in my oregano. So now what we're going to do is also beat the eggs. So in the eggs we're not going to put anything because the seasoning is in the flour. So we're going to move on. We're going to heat up our oil. Let's go. So I've added my oil in the pan, so I'm just going to put on a 5. So yeah, we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up, and then we're going to get into frying. Stay tuned, guys. My oil has heated up enough, so I've just also prepared where I'll be putting them in after they are done deep frying. So yeah, let's start. So I'm just going to take strip and then dip it in the eggs, and then put it in my flour. and then in the oil. So when deep frying, you have to be careful because they can burn quickly. So I'm just going to also use a fork to flip them. They smell so good, trust me guys. So I'm just going to put some in the mixture so that I can work fast. So I'm just going to reduce my heat to 4. Looks so crispy. So since some are already golden, I'm just going to take them out, the golden ones.
Looks so delicious, I can barely wait for them.
So guys, I'm just going to take up the heat to 5 again. So the ones that are already done, here they are so golden, they look so crispy, they look so delicious. So my egg mixture is a little, so I'm just going to add in another egg because I still have quite a lot of strips, right? So let me just wrap up everything. I hope you really saw how I did the golden chicken strips, and then I'll show you the final product, everything done. Catch you guys. So guys, here is the final product. The chicken strips are ready, darling. So I'll shoot a clip of how I'll be making my chicken wraps, and yeah, let me take a tasting video. So guys, the first thing first, like when you look at it, it's just appetizing. Is it appetizing? Yeah. So when I break it, you can just see. Oh my gosh.
It's wet inside.
You can just see. So, look at it. This is good, guys. Well guys, those were so good. So what I'm going to do now is to
make the chicken strips.
To make the chicken wraps. So I'll show you a mini clip of how I make my chicken wraps. So such a delicious food, guys. Just check Terry's reaction. OMG, make yourself this nice food, guys, and enjoy them with your family. Cheers.